Oh, fuck yeah, boys. It's what we've all been waiting for. The highly anticipated return of the asshole acclaimed GFY weekly review show. I know I'm in a good mood after week one, but I know some of you are hating life. Either way, we're going to go ahead and get things kicked off here week one with a couple of matchups that weren't even close. We got the top story of the week. Big money coming right back to the commish. Called it. Big points for Dak, Mac, and D-Hop. Lots of points on the bench for Dridge. This is the theme this week. But either way, that spells out a good old-fashioned ass whooping.
You got knocked the fuck out, man! Give me my goddamn money.
Next over to North Carolina, where Greg got a big W with the second highest score of the week, propelled by a monster 42.9 points from Christian McCaffrey. The other side for Campbell, nothing but tragedy. The Tyreek Hill injury and a lot of underperformances. It looks like there's hope on the bench for Mike, though. But this week, the boys down south sent them all packing.
There, boy. I bet you can squeal. I bet you can squeal like a pig. Go on, squeal. Squeal now. Squeal.
Now we go to a monster matchup between the Marine Artillerymen. They had a $25 of side action on this one, and it'll be going to Dave. He improves to 3-0 lifetime versus Moylan, and this one looked close, but it was actually over pretty quickly. Solid win for Dave to start the season. The defending champ opened up with a weak 110-point performance to Breen's 124. The theme in most of these games, there's a lot of points left on the bench in this one, but watch out because Breen's team is only getting scarier. Antonio Brown on the Patriots. Melvin Gordon could come back. Keep an eye on him. Next, we got this low-scoring matchup for the boys at the bottom of the power rankings, and John squeaks out a victory thanks to the Jets' defense, and once again, lots of points on the bench, so we can't really count these guys quite out yet. I mean, you never know. And finally, we have this legendary showdown for a tall boy, Natty Ice, for the loser. And unlike Natty Ice, this was a satisfying one, right down to the wire, the thinnest margin of victory in league history. And Guy gets the big win despite his 8th round kicker being outscored. Next over here, I'm going to bring you the power rankings for week one. I'm going to go ahead and put mine right up next to these final standing projections brought to you by Ameritrade, TD Bank, North Garden. I don't know exactly where they're getting their numbers from. They look a little bit funky to me. I don't understand what made Breen drop down to 8th in a win. But anyway, you see here, there's a lot of movement on my power ranking, except at the bottom. That's basically because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, and I'm pretty biased when I write these lists. Either way, take it with a grain of salt. We'll see you guys next week. And remember, go fuck yourselves.